Alexander Graham Bell, a good inventor and a great movie. You had an idea, and you called it a phone, and that made it nicer to sit home alone.
Building for the future, building for is the future,
nationwide communication.
AT&T is a four-letter word.
Bell system grew, and that's what progress brings. And now you got a network for all sorts of things.
Network.
Communicate. The Antilles. Population.
Data.
Moscow.
Voice.
Chromatic.
EKG.
Cinematic.
Video.
Synthesizer.
Telstar. Computer painting. Signal.
Coordinates, light years along galactic
Radio.
north. It's a
Telemetering.
protosun, 8 lights toward
Data.
Vector.
Voice. EKG.
Bell System Network.
Network is the heart of the Bell system.
Data, voice.
Anytime, anywhere.
Hello, babies. This is a man in the moon.
The Bell System Network.
We do things like this.
This is an electrical entertainment.
This is the beginning.
If
To
you are an
communicate
Aries
is the
person,
beginning.
a new
The
love
Bell
is coming.
system is capable
A
of moving any
Sagittarius
kind of
can be attracted
information
to an
over
Aries person
110
who's
million
experiencing the same
telecommunication
hungers as you are.
devices.
Now, is there anything you don't understand?
This is the end of the beginning.
To communicate is the beginning of understanding. Signed, the Bell System.
Hello. The Bell System Network has 700 million miles of communication circuits for the instant transmission of any kind of information. Bell System.
Oh, well, Bell System. Yeah, well, she don't live here no more, man. Look, how'd you like to talk to Winnie the Pooh?
My name is Jill.
PhDs, places, spaces.
Who are you?
Rhyming. Anything.
My name is Michael. I like you, Jill.
To communicate is the beginning of understanding.
The Bell System, building for the future.
Mine is rather a strange love. Never have I kissed him. The reason, Jim, is it's not a hymn. I love the Bell System.